Hello, thanks for joining me. Today we're looking at the parts needed and the considerations of creating an overhead hoist suitable for raising either the front end of a motorcycle, the rear end of a motorcycle, or even possibly all of the motorcycle with secondary lifting mechanism. So, what does this entail? In my normal single car garage, there are cross beams, but I don't want to load them to the point that they give way, damaging the roof structure. So, how else can I support a beam? Well, my thoughts are a pair of ladders, a ladder approximately 6'6", placed against walls opposite each other, a scaffold pole as high as possible on one of the rungs, and then a lifting strop supporting a chain block and tackle. As crude as this sounds, it would be adequate to lift the bike, possibly just one end of the bike most of the time, to enable me to do jobs that would normally require a lift table. I like lift tables, but I don't like the process of getting the bike up onto the lift table. It can be walked up under power, but it's not something I look forward to. So, a short-term alternative to a lift table is to lift the part of the motorcycle, in this case my Yamaha YZF 600R Street Fighter. Now in this guise, my YZF weighs somewhere between 350 to 400 pounds. So it's a considerable weight. I've been in engineering all my working life, so hopefully I'll have an eye for what looks safe and what looks capable, what looks dodgy and what shouldn't be attached. In the past, I've taken engines out of minis using this method. So in this garage, it's a new venture, but I've just been gifted a large alloy ladder that was cut down to two sections, 6'6" in length. Well, that's my thoughts and initial plans for another project. Join me along the way. You'll be very welcome. Thanks for watching.